Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD part design tools like Revolution, Additive Loft, Polar Pattern, Pocket, Chamfer, and Fillet. The exercise for today is to convert this helical gear 2D drawing into 3D solid part. Here you find the 4 steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. Here are the dimensions of the helical gear drawing. In step 1, we sketch half of the middle section profile and create a solid part with the help of the Revolution tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the YZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile and then constrain and put the dimensions later. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Revolution tool and then select the rotation axis. In step 2, we sketch the gear profile and make it a solid part with the help of Additive Loft tool. Select the front surface and then activate the Sketch tool. First, create for circles with the required diameters. Convert the two circles to construction curves. Now, start to sketch the gear profile. Select the endpoints and the middle axis and then activate the Symmetry tool. Now, we create the second pair of curves. First, we create construction lines. Now, we create the curves on the endpoints of the construction line. Constrain the new curves tangential to the lines. The radius of the curves is 50 millimeters. Constrain, tangential again, the new curves to the previous curves. Now, remove the unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. To create a helical gear with Additive tool, we need a second sketch. First, copy the created sketch. Select the sketch from the available options. Now, paste the copied sketch to the body. Move the second sketch to the body. Now, activate the second sketch from the body and set the transform parameters in the Date Setting window. The second sketch is correct positioned. Select both sketches and activate the Additive Loft tool. The first gear is ready. To create the others, select the Additive Loft and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. Select the transformations axis and set the number of gears or occurrences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. In step 3, we create a chamfer on one of the edge, and after that we sketch the cutout profile to remove material from the created solid part with the help of Pocket tool. Set the angle to 45 degrees. Select the surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Extract the reference curves. Activate the Polyline tool and sketch the profile. Select the endpoints and the symmetry axis and then activate the Symmetry tool. Create a curve between the endpoints. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through all. Now, we use the Polar Pattern tool again to create the other cutouts. The last step is to add fillet to the created part according to the drawing. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.